Good morning. It's the first day of Yacht Week and the weather is not looking too good. As you can tell from those roof tiles, it is raining. I'm gonna go grab breakfast now. I'm pretty hungry. Good morning, guys. Hello. It is heckin' raining. Evan, it suits you. You should wear that throughout the whole Yacht Week.
You think so?
Yeah, totally.
It's a good look, right?
Yeah. Oh my god. Alright guys, welcome to Yacht Week. This is where it starts. Get in the cup, Evan.
It's just Simon's work for the day.
Evan, what are you most looking forward to on Yacht Week?
Party.
What about you?
Sleeping.
Okay. Sleeping. Alicia, what are you most looking forward to?
I already saw the Froggy Museum. I don't think anything can top it.
Yeah,
Fair point.
after that narrow street, I really...
What are you looking forward to on the Yacht Week?
To get some color.
To get some colour?
Yeah.
Hang on a minute. Yeah, same. I don't disagree.
What are you looking forward to?
I don't know, partying mostly, and also the beaches. Quite keen on the beaches.
And the sun, hopefully.
Yeah. Here we are, just arrived at Yacht Week. Ready to check in. Here's the Yacht Week tent. Let's get signed in. And here we are with Pedro.
Hey, finally here.
Finally here, Pedro. And it's raining. Could be a lot warmer, couldn't it?
Yeah, it's your working day, so yeah.
Oh yeah, that's also true. Let's not forget. Let's count our blessings. Yeah, we're trying to find a place to shelter now because we can't get on the boat until about 2 or 3 hours later. So yeah. So we just checked in. I'm heading back to the group now. The rest of them have gone shopping. It took us an hour and a half. I feel very important holding all these passports. Okay, see you soon. So I feel very homeless right now. I'm kind of packing the groceries for the entirety of the Yacht Week, and it looks like this.
Including that all the way over there.
It's Josh that's holding the camera.
Yeah,
Turn around if you want to, but...
What's up?
Let's go. Got all my shopping. All the toilet paper. Here's our boat. Hey Kelsey.
You guys. Hey, you want to help me this?
This is Kelsey, by the way.
Hey.
Our skipper. She's an absolute legend.
Just wait.
These things, they go in the freezer like this, much like the alcohol. How's it going, Sav?
It's going good.
Are you excited?
A little anxious. I'm having anxiety.
I am so excited. I can't contain my excitement.
Yeah.
We have a lot of unpacking to do though. What's this? Oreos. I respect this because they're lactose free.
Oh, Skipper Sam, nice to meet you.
Nice
Nice to meet you. Skipper Scam, whatever.
Hey Evan, what's good, man?
We're living.
Come on in. Okay guys, to the first night. Everyone put their hands in. I know this is cheesy.
Marika, come on.
Okay, to a very good time, to good friends and good memories. Peer pressure!
On one.
So Evan and I are staying in this. It's a double. It would have been nice to have a mattress here so someone could sleep on top bunk, but whatever. Hey Pedro!
Hello.
Where are you staying?
I think right over here.
In here. Can you turn the light on?
Yeah, let me turn the light on. If I can find it.
Wait.
No idea.
Nope. My crew. What's good? So I'm standing on the bow right now. It's called the bow, right, Kelsey?
Yes. Good job.
Starting to land, and it's not as slippy as I thought.
What's this side?
That's starboard.
Hell yeah. What's this side?
Port.
They would give me like
Hey Evan, what's good?
$8.
I'm a little bit tipsy, but I'm good.
We're looking at some really good food right here.
Hope so.
Pedro's the man.
Hi.
We got assist chef right here.
That's me.
And what do we have right here, Simon?
This is tuna pasta with tomato, mushroom.
Did you just call this salmon tuna?
Did I? No, I said salmon, didn't I?
No.
Yes, I did. Stop putting words in my mouth.
We got it on camera.
It started to be tuna, but then the guy decided to change the career and went to salmon.
Yum.
So Pedro has made this amazing salmon pasta, which is actually muy bien. It's so nice. I'm just gonna carry on eating now, so peace. Pedro!
Yep.
What's good, man?
When you're almost sick, it's very important to have emergency. You're gonna want it in your rum and coke.
Vitamin run and coke.
There it is. Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Stir.
It's like a science project.
No, that's key.
Good luck with that, boy! And this is what it's like at night. Everybody's kind of drinking. Not going to Ham, I guess, because we're sailing tomorrow. One else. On a taxi bow. It's pretty breezy tonight. Lovely weather, Pedro. Hi. No belt at all. No belt, yep. Okay, right. Another 2 on my left. Knocking on the phone. Kelsey behind me. What's going on? Oh boy. Hey Marika. That was a good first night.
I'm still scared about the plank. Like the whole evening long.
Pedro's done it.
Come on! I need a hand to cross.
Do you need help?
Come on!
Okay.